sumakay dito. Kailangan pang pumunta din sa sa Ramis. Kausap ko kasi laging Carlos dito sa amin. Wala ngayon. No choice ako kundi maglakad sa Ramis. Doon ako sasakay papuntang clinic. Papuntang clinic. Schedule ako ng check-up. Follow-up check-up. Hirap nang nagkakasakit ano. Nababa kasi yung ko, yung blood sugar ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Bakit nababa. Kaya lagi ako nanghilo. Noon pa man kahit mamaya sabihin na naman nila dahil sa puyat hindi last kong nalagyan ng noon ng gamot sa ospital. Tapos na-dextrose ako noon ng December. Tapos ng March na check up. Ngayon lang ulit ako babalik. Kasi tumawag kay madam yung hindi ako pwedeng i-drive ng madam ngayon kasi si baba may sakit niya. Hindi niya pwedeng iwan. So kailangan hindi talaga ako mag-isa. Sabi niya sa akin kung kaya ko daw. Ngayon lang ako umalis ng isa. Kasama ko nun, sinamahan ko. Ako lang mag-isa. My goodness. At ako, mag-isa lang ako. Pag yung kasama ko, sinasamahan ko siya. Ay. O, dito. Ano na dumaan na dito, Macarly? Kasalit ako. Nakataas sa kababa. Can you bring me there in Banyas? Banyas Clinic? Bahia. La, Bahia Clinic.
Huh?
Sorry, Bahia.
Where?
Bahia. Near airport.
Passport?
Aywa.
How much money?
I paid here 20. Pati na lang ngayon. Nasa lutong ako.
Mabuti Banyar nunggu?
Aywa.
Huh? Banyar. Banyar okay ya? Yara Banyar?
Lala, here in Bahia.
Mana.
You know Tagalog? You know Philippine?
Huh?
You know Philippine?
Aywa.
Mia.
Mia. Anta Yara Baradi?
Soya.
Nice.
Aywa.
Very good for the people. Number one. Go ahead.
Huh? La.
Bye.
La.
One.
La, thank you.
Habibi.
La.
Habibi.
Adi,
No
yalla.
problem.
Ha?
Sorry, one around.
Thank you.
Mini corporate money nice.
Make salata.
Huh?
Ada soy salata.
Wala?
Ayun.
Sabit mo ini?
Ay, na.
Wait, banyak?
La, ina.
Hmm.
Alin ana ro Baya Clinic.
Ban logo banyak?
Medical.
Bad come back?
Eh.
Huh? Huh? May come back?
Aywa.
Wait, Anna.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
How much kala?
Ma'am.
Come here, let wait.
Ha?
Come wait.
Madre.
How much kala na wait, okay?
Ah.
Become babaya, okay?
Okay.
Too hot.
Aywa.
When kala nikas Ana?
Hmm?
Kala nikas when banya bahya?
So?
Bahya when ada ka break careful?
Aywa.
Sikila nikas simsi?
Nala.
Hmm.
Hada careful sa? Hinak sila.
Ada careful.
Aywa.
Malapin na prak.
Hmm.
What is that?
Thank you.
Aywa. I know. Anta no speak Arabic very nice?
Siya naman.
Ana no speak very nice English. Small speak English. I know.
Ana شوية معلم Arabic بعد.
أحسن. أيوة. عربي زين ها؟
أيوة. شوية معلم.
English لغة very nice.
Yes, كله كلام على إنجليزي.
إنجليزي. أنت تشتغل بيت ولا وين؟ بيشتغل. بيت؟
أي.
أوه خدام ها؟
أيوة.
نمبر 1 حبيبي أنا. نمبر 1 أفراد.
عادي. ما في مشكلة بيت.
ما في مشكلة.
أيوة. أنا أربابها وايد زين.
أرباب زين؟
أيوة.
أوكي.
ومدام كله.
مدام زين؟
أيوة كله.
وين هو سيدة؟
أيوة.
على بيت؟
أي.
أينو كلينيكس؟
ساكن. سيدا.
أنا في بيت بنياس.
بعيد.
بعيد.
إيه.
يا رب بنياس؟
أيوة.
أنا بنياس. أنت تقول بنياس بعدين تقول ما مشكلة.
أنا بابا أختي هناك بنياس.
وين مكان؟
ما أعرف.
فين؟
بنياس 10 إيست. إيست.
إيست؟
أيوة.
إيست وين؟
بنياس.
سوى ها؟
ما أعرف.
إيست.
ما أعرف أصلا بس هذا أختي بابا. اليوم خميس.
إيه.
ada hero هناك.
سوا
سوا مدام والباب.
هذا كلينيكس؟
لا سيدا.
أنا ما في معلومات بشهامة.
Kalian yang TJ na? Kalian yang TJ?
بنياس. سيدا؟
أيوة سيدا.
يجي بنياس يكون ما مشكلة وين يكون ما في مشكلة. اوكي انا بيت بنياس سيدا.
ايوه سيدا سيدا.
هذا مكي ما في بوت ملكار هذا في غاز ركب بعدين خربان 3 مرة أنا أقوم الصفحة بعدين ما في معلوم. هذا كلينيك هذا
ايوه.
أنا ريت باركين بعدين بيكم بيكوكي
عادي.
أيوة ده موبايل في نمبر موبايل أنا في ويت مور.
اوكي.
सीधा بعدين राइट.
لا كنا يمين
يمين ها
ايه.
وهذا كلينيك صح.
بعدين يسرنا
فوق ها
ايوه. يسار بعد.
وين؟
سيدا شوية شوية يمين.
أنا وين ويت؟
هنا قدام.
أنا باركين هذا أوكي.
اوكي.
أنت في موبايل ركب؟
باركينج هنا قدام بعدين أنا أشوف أنت.
رايت؟
طيب خلاص
ها؟
أنا خلاص هنا.
هذا؟
أيوه.
أنا بويت هنا.
اوكي.
لكن 20 درهم اوكي هذا؟
اوكي.
بعدين أنا ويت ها؟
اوكي.
ما في مشكلة؟
ما في.
أنت كل سوي موبايل.
خلي رقم أنا.
050.
lakad ulit kasi sakay ako dun. Oh my God, napakainit grabe. Ngayon dito ko sa Fairfield Bahia, diba? hanap ako ng Carlos o taxi. Oh my God. Napunta ako ng init. Sobra. Buti na lang may lilim dito sa ayan. Palabas ako. Ayan siya. Lakad pag may time. Diba? Nakalakad-lakad ako. Ayan. Ito yung Fairfield na Bahia. Fairport. Mahangin sa labas. Fountain. Ganda ng fountain. taxi. Sakay ako ng taxi. Yan. Charan! Ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda ng fountain. Ayan yung Fairfields. Ayun yung taxi. Sa taxi. Nakapila yung taxi. Sakay ako. Oh, lamig dito. Hindi naman na makapasok. Ayan ang fountains. Excuse me. Can you bring me there in Ashama?
Ashama?
Aywa.
Yes.
It's too much hot.
How are you?
I'm good.
Filipino?
Yeah,
How are you acting?
I'm good.
Maganda akong. So we are going to
Shama.
New Old
Old.
near zoo.
Aywa. Just take Ramis.
Near Ramis. Don't tell me you work in.
It's too much hot outside.
Yes, too much hot. You don't need even to walk. Otherwise, if you walk like now, you can become black like me. Me, I was a Filipino. Then I walked in too much sunshine. I became black.
Wala.
Yes. So I want to advise you, if you don't want to be like me, don't.
Even I will walk.
Eh?
I'll not become black.
Oh, you try.
I already
Try
tried.
today, tomorrow, like 5 days, 10 days, you'll see what you'll have.
Oh my God. But then I will die.
You'll die.
It's too much hot. Only now I walk only 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh
You're
my
already
gosh.
feeling hot.
Yeah. I came from the
From where? From Albania Clinic?
Aywa.
You are sick?
I feel only shoulder pain.
Pain?
Yeah.
Oh, so you are overworked.
Maybe over fatigue.
Where do you work?
There in Sham. In the house.
In the house?
Yeah.
They don't give you day off.
Monkey.
That's why you are sick.
Yeah.
You have day off?
No.
You see? You need to go day off so you can go and meet your asawa. You have asawa?
No need asawa.
Why?
I already widow.
Huh?
I'm already widow.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, this hat, I don't know where he's going. He's also feeling hot. You see, she's fearing to be black. But you look young. You should get another shower.
I don't know.
No?
I don't want.
don't
I have already 4 kids.
4 kids.
Yeah.
But you are looking young at Maganda.
Wala.
Become Maganda. If you don't want me, I pick you. You become my asawa. All this beauty, and then you say for you don't want. Okay?
I'm already old.
Take her away. Next Friday I come for you. We go digu. You are not old. How old are you?
40.
I'm 44. But you look younger. You are like 25. Hey, man. Ate, you are just.
You're joking.
You look how you are looking. Oh, that's the beauty. Okay? When I look at your chest here, I see you are still very young.
Wala.
Wallah. give me your contact on Friday. When is the day off?
I don't have day off.
So when should I come for you?
Mafi.
Huh? Wallah, Atta, I will come for you.
Wallah.
Wallah. Unless you just say you don't want. But black men are very good, I'm telling you. You need to try out. Wallah.
They don't want allowed me to go out.
You done that?
They don't want allowed me to go out.
But today they allowed you.
Alhamdulillah.
So you will tell them you are sick, you're going to the hospital. We go our way. What do you think, Ate?
I don't think so.
You don't want. So I say, I don't think so. But when you want, you can come out. You don't want. But I was going to take you out. Wallah with this beauty.
But then you will bring me this shirt.
Huh? I will bring you.
Anyway.
No, don't tell me Khalifa. Unless you are saying I'm a pangiti.
Pangit. You know how to speak Philippines, huh?
I know. Eh? But me, if you look carefully, I'm guapo and pogi.
Wallah.
Wallah. Wallah.
Oh my God.
Ate, you need to enjoy your life. You try. Try me, I will show you heaven.
Oh my God.
Say,
What
is
kind
this?
of heaven?
Leave alone these kuyas, Filipino kuyas who don't know what to do with ladies. You try African man, will take you to heaven and show you where the angels sit. I go straight?
Yeah.
Ate. Now how do you live? You don't have feelings, you mean? Wallah? Huh? You don't have feelings? Muffin? Huh. If I get like you now, I can do everything like this. Oh, shoo! Wallah.
Right.
Right?
Aywa.
This art of mine doesn't want the brothers to enjoy. So you keep everything intact.
Yeah.
Nobody to touch.
No.
Why?
I just want to be alone.
But what about us who want to enjoy those things? You want us to suffer?
I'm focused on my kids.
Yeah, the kids will focus, but once in a while. I may not become your husband, I become a boyfriend, and then once in a while I come. I just say, can I
Can you
enjoy?
drop me there?
Yeah?
No, so yeah. There on the pedestrian.
Where? On the pedestrian. Okay, on the pedestrian.
The house is there.
The house is where?
There.
Okay, number 20.
Aywa.
So I will come, eh? Give me your number. So I will come in the evening. And then we see what we can do, yes? At a deal? Is it a deal, Atta?
No
This
deal.
is 30. No deal?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I have some coins for you.